Okay, I'm gonna make my multiple layer nacho dip stuff. I like to eat this cold too, so might gross some people out, but to me it tastes better cold, especially during the summer months when you want nachos or something, but you don't want to eat anything hot because it's already freaking hot. But basically, I start with a layer of beans on the bottom as my base. Loosh it down in the base of the bowl. Try to get it level. I'm actually adding a few more ingredients. I'm going to put some sliced jalapeno and some olive and some bacon bits in it. Usually I just put like salsa and the Tostitos cheese, sour cream, and the shredded cheese. And there's a way to do this. You got to do it in layers. Like you start with the beans first, because they're the thickest, and then sour cream next, because it's the next thickest, and then the cheese sauce, and my dog's coming in here. He hears me. He heard the word cheese. And you spread this out. Hoping the camera angle looks okay. I used the little window on the back of my camera to make sure I kind of had the angles best as I could get. Okay, that. And yes, I am licking the spoon off. These are all my own ingredients. Nobody uses my stuff, so it's all my own germs. Now the Tostitos sauce. Might be able to just pour it. Oops. Yep, pouring it. I have this habit of turning to the left when I make stuff. I don't know what it is, why I do that. That's about enough of that. And spread that out. And then put the sauce in. Like the jalapeno, the olive, and the bacon are all going to go on top. Okay. Then the shredded cheese. I use a lot of Walmart's Great Value products. I like their store brand products. Sorry, I keep turning to the left. Okay, and stretch my back out. Alright. Now, I'm thinking olives first. Kind of just put it on there and use my hand to spread it out. Shit, sorry, I keep turning to the left. That's all spread out. Now, the jalapeno. jar's a little bit overfilled. Shit. Not good. Thought I dropped a jalapeno on the ground. Dog would have went right for that. These are the hot ones. Especially seeing they're preserved and kind of salty tasting. He would have like just went munching on that. I've been like, oh my god, dog, no. That's that. And the bacon. And I'm using Tostitos scoops with this. I also like this Great Value bacon bits. They're cheaper than like Hormel or other brands, even other store brands. So that is my multiple layer dip. It tastes really good. It's really good in the summer, or even like right now when it's still warm outside. It's like a cold layered dip. So yeah, hope somebody makes it and enjoys it too. Thank you for watching.